Imagine spending weeks building your website, only to realize you chose the wrong platform. So here's the question. If you were starting a website in 2026, would you choose a website builder or WordPress? And which one will actually save you time, money, and headaches? The answer isn't as obvious as you might think. Some people say WordPress is the only serious option. Others believe modern website builders have made WordPress unnecessary. So, which one is right for you? In the next 5 minutes, I'll compare them based on ease of use, customization, SEO, pricing, and scalability so you can make the right choice. Ease of use. If you're a beginner, website builders are the easiest option. Platforms like Wix, Squarespace, and other website builder let you create a website using drag-and-drop tools. You don't need to worry about hosting, updates, or installing plugins. Everything is built in. WordPress takes a bit more setup. You'll need to choose a hosting provider, install WordPress, and customize your site with themes and plugins. It's not difficult, but there is a learning curve. Winner, website builders. Customization and SEO. This is where WordPress stands out. With thousands of themes and over 60,000 plugins, you can build almost any type of website, from blogs and business sites to online stores and membership platforms. Website builders also offer attractive templates and built-in SEO tools, making them great for most small businesses. However, if you need advanced customization or complete control over your SEO strategy, WordPress gives you much more flexibility. Winner, WordPress. Pricing and maintenance. Website builders usually charge a single monthly fee that includes hosting, security, updates, and customer support. It's simple, predictable, and ideal if you don't want to manage the technical side of your website. WordPress itself is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain name, and possibly premium themes or plugins. While WordPress can be more affordable in the long run, it also requires more maintenance since you're responsible for updates and security. If convenience matters most, website builders have the advantage. Winner, website builders. Scalability and final verdict. Think about where your website will be in a few years. If you're creating a personal portfolio, a small business website, or a landing page, a website builder will likely meet all your needs. But if you plan to expand into e-commerce, memberships, online courses, or other advanced features, WordPress offers far more room to grow. So here's the bottom line. Choose a website builder if you want a fast, beginner-friendly, all-in-one solution. Choose WordPress if you want maximum flexibility, advanced customization, and a platform that can grow with your business. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your goals. If this video helped you decide, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more website building tips.